Doing skincare as a man is not gay. In fact, it's the opposite. Look at these two photos. Now be honest, who do you think women are more likely to choose? Even a 5th grader can tell it's the second guy. And that's the reality. Clear skin instantly makes you look healthier, more confident, and more attractive. The problem? Most advice out there is pure BS, DIY serums, random homemade hacks, things that never actually work. So today, I'll give you the real 7-step routine every man should follow to get that clean, flawless skin. Let's start. 1. Stop touching your face. The first and most important thing you need to do is stop touching your face. Just remember how many things you touch in a day: your steering wheel, handrails, oily food, and many more. And when you touch your face, you transfer all the bacteria from your hands to your face. So here's a fun challenge for you. Notice whenever you try to touch your face, if you touch it uselessly, you lose. This way, you will develop a habit of not touching your face. 2. Sunscreen. Just look at this picture. He's a truck driver. Just look how left side of his face is damaged due to continuous driving and exposure to sun. His face is wrinkled and looks aged. This is what sun does to your face. So apply sunscreen daily. 3. Cleanse your face. Don't use a hand wash or a soap to wash your face, because the skin of your face is more delicate as compared to your body and hands. So use a good face wash. The best face wash that fits every skin type is Minimalist Face Wash. It contains 2% salicylic acid, which deeply cleanse your skin and have property to remove pimples. 4. Exfoliate twice a week. Think of your skin like a glass window. No matter how much you wash it daily, after a few days dust and dirt still stick to it, making it look dull. The same happens with your face. Dead skin cells build up and make you look tired. That's where exfoliation comes in. When you exfoliate, you're basically removing that dead layer so fresh skin can come out. This makes your skin smoother, brighter, and even helps your other products like moisturizers or serums work better. But here's the catch. Don't do it daily. Over-exfoliating will make your skin red, sensitive, and even cause more pimples. So just pick a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant and use it only twice a week. That's more than enough to keep your skin fresh and glowing. 5. Post-wash care. After washing your face with a good face wash, apply vitamin C serum to your face. This gives a natural glow to your skin and works on all skin types. But if you want best results, then you should use something else that fits your skin type instead of vitamin C serum. Here's how to find out your skin type. Clean your face properly with water and face wash. Don't apply anything. Wait for 2 hours and notice your skin. If you feel dryness on your skin, then you have dry skin. If you feel oil only on these areas, then you have a mixed skin type. If you feel oil on your whole face, then you have oily skin. And if you don't feel anything, then you have normal skin. Now here's what you have to apply on your face according to your skin type. For dry skin, apply a moisturizer after cleansing your face properly. For oily skin, apply lactocalamine. And if you have mixed or normal skin, then you can go with vitamin C serum. 6. Face razor. Use a face razor to remove the useless hair from your face. This removes that blackish layer from your face, making your skin flawless. Now here comes the last and most important step. 7. Diet. You can clean your face from outside as much as you want, but if your liver is weak and digestion is bad, all of it will be useless. So eat foods that are rich in protein and vitamin A. Eat eggs. They contain all the amino acids essential for your body. This was how to get that skin that everyone noticed. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to subscribe to support this channel.